Welcome to XXL RC. Today we're on the XXL RC Playground again. Surprise. So it's been raining like pretty much all week. We had a lot of standing water back there, and so now we've got some mud that's formed. There's still a little bit of water back in that corner over there. Today we got the Losi Promoto MX. I'm gonna take that thing for a rip, see if it's waterproof. I don't really know. I don't think there's a receiver box, so hopefully that doesn't get too wet. But I guess we're gonna find out. So let's get to it. Our guy kind of landed back here in the brush. I hope he's all right. I think he'll be okay. Oh yeah, he's good. Go for the big jump. Woo! Alright, I lied. I said the starting gate was kind of a gimmick. It is helpful. Like, I'm gonna stand on there by the jump so I can kind of line everything up. So I can't be down here and hold it to get it started. So I do use the gate for that. So it's not totally a gimmick. It is pretty cool, and it does work for that. I mean, I have to walk back here and reset it every time, but it does serve a purpose. Seem to have acquired a little bit of grass. I don't know where that came from. There we go. I think we got something stuck in the chain.
Yeah.
Okay, nice, easy turn. Come back this way.
Good.
Well, that's the end of that battery. We have hit the low voltage detection. I noticed right when I was hitting that last jump, kind of slowed down. So we're gonna grab another battery and we'll be right back. I guess one of the downsides of this battery tray is if you're gonna run it in mud like I just did, you're gonna be digging through mud when you go to take the battery out. right, pal? Yeah, I hit hard, but it seems to be okay. We'll keep going. Uh-oh. I don't know what's going on. Oh. I got something stuck in the chain right there. Oh, she looks kind of bound up. I don't know, I might have to power it off to fix that. You can see the chain's kind of derailed a little bit. And there's like a piece of wood or something stuck right there. Yeah, it's pretty bound up. Alright, I'm gonna have to power it down and see if I can fix that. Hopefully I don't have to take too much apart. Okay, I was able to just roll the sprocket back a little bit. You can see that piece of wood still on there. So I'm just gonna pull that off. But one thing I wanted to show you guys while I was working on this, I noticed my balance plug, which is just hanging out this time. Last time I tucked it up in there, but this door really didn't want it closed, so I left it hanging, and you can see one of the leads, one of the balance leads is pulled out of the connector. So I think I'm gonna pop that door open and see, maybe I can just tuck it up above the battery leads so that doesn't happen again. So hopefully I can just pop that back in there. I'm hoping I didn't break the clips or something on it, but that could be potentially dangerous, because now, you know, you've got one of your balance leads which connects to one of the cells on the battery just kind of hanging out here. Whatever, hope it doesn't touch anything. I mean, everything back here looks to be plastic, so I don't think it'd be a problem, but yeah, still not good. We are good. We're free rolling again. And I was able to pop that, well, you can't even see it now, it's tucked up there. It's just above the battery lead, that balance connector, and I was able to pop that wire back in. It seems like it locked in, so I think we're good to go on that. So let's head on back to the park again, and we'll finish this thing off. Diving a little bit. What's up with that? Automatic seems to be driving like it was earlier. Alright, this has been bothering me. Finally got a few good jumps out of there, and I got this big puddle of water over here. It has subsided quite a bit. It was rather deep when I took my Summit through there. I gotta see if this thing will make it through. Hopefully I got enough battery and it doesn't die like right in the middle. But we're gonna do a quick little rip across the pond here. Wish me luck. Well, I think it made it. Kind of tipped over there, but it's still alive. A little wet. Oh, he kind of dipped down in a hole there, didn't he? Oh, I think we've hit low voltage on this one. Yep. Whew. This thing is dirty. I have to spray it off before I take it in. Well, not too bad for an RC motorcycle. Now, I haven't really had any experience with these before, but I've heard that this one is like the best iteration of it ever. It is, with having no experience, you know, it was a little bit of a learning curve at first, but really the more I drive it, the easier it gets. You just gotta prepare for those turns a little sooner than you would with a car, and it's pretty smooth sailing. It does seem a little quirky sometimes as far as pulling wheelies and stuff like that, and I did have a little trouble with it towards the end there when I was doing jumps. It would kind of nosedive. I'm not sure what that was all about, but it seemed like once I set it down, and I think maybe the gyro recalibrated or something, because the next jump I took, it was perfectly fine. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video.